So I am so in love with this new wig I got from Wiggin Hair. So inside the box you got your headband, some eyelashes, a beautiful scarf. You have your wig caps and a cute little bag to hold everything in. This is the wig. Oh my God, you guys, it is so soft, so silky. It's 18 inches. It's body wave and it's HD lace. It comes with your standard combs. Okay, but of course I'm going to take them out and resize it because you know I have a peanut head. So what I did was I went ahead and I put on a strap, and this is how I look when I sized it. To see how I size my wig, just check my playlist, and I have a video on how to resize your wig. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks with the elastic band that I installed. What y'all look like before y'all put your wig on? Now for real, fam, you know I gotta make y'all laugh. All right, let's get to it. As you can see, my ball cap is already done. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it back to where I think my lace front will lay. And then I'm going to cut off all of the excess wig cap. And then clean it up with a little alcohol so that glue can stick. So now I'm going to add a little bit of makeup to my edges so I can get that perfect color match underneath my lace. So I did bleach the knots, touch up the roots, and tie the edges down. So I am going to put the glue on in sections, starting with the very front and then do both of my sides. So now I'm going to pull it down to where I want it to be, hold it in place, and add a little air to it so that I can dry the glue. So I could actually see where I made a mistake at. My makeup wasn't dry enough and I put the glue on, so I made like a light spot. But no worry, if you have a mistake, all you have to do is just jot a little bit of alcohol on a washcloth and dab it and you'll be good as new. Follow it up with a little holding spray to hold it back down, and voila. So this is how the edges is looking so far. Oh yeah, I love it. So far so good. Now I just got to cut this lace off. So this is a little trick that I picked up to give you a more secure hold. So what I do is I just go around my edges and I spray the holding spray around the edges, and I make sure while I'm blow drying it to actually comb out the edges so none of the edges is completely stuck to my scalp. You know what I'm talking about? Not stuck. It's stuck down, but the hair isn't stuck. And I'll make little parts and I'll go through completely around the edges. Then I'll part through the hair like you'll see me do in a minute. Spray a little holding spray right there. Then I comb and blow dry again. And I do this around my whole entire edges. And if I tell you the outcome is unbelievable, ever since I've been doing it like this, I have not stopped. This is the only way that I do it. After I do that, now I'm going to tie the edges down for about 20 or 30 minutes. Now for the big reveal. Let's see how these edges turned out.